What's up, guys? Dragon Empire here today, and if you remember from last time, it's just about night, and our little island we have set up is about to be flooded with creatures from the deep. So let's get ready to fight them off, I guess. Oh crap, I just threw a fishing pole. Let's get a few more fish in. I don't know if that's actually far enough away. Oof, we might need to get a little bit more dirt. I don't know. But yeah, let's just jump right into what we're doing today. Oh, and worth mentioning, if you guys follow Instagram, the Tower Wars is coming up. I've been very psyched about that. It's gonna be my favorite video to record. It's gonna be so much fun with my dude Colton. But it's being pushed up to Wednesday instead of Thursday release, so that's going to be way more fun to record, and we're recording that tomorrow actually, so make sure to stop in and watch that. It's gonna be exciting. Oh, and it's night. It's night, guys. Trade. Let's get some more dirt. Should we use some wood? Am I that desperate, or should I? No, I'm gonna save the wood. Oh, and one of my trees is growing. Okay, cool. That's helpful. Let's go over here. Go ahead and crouch down. This looks like it's dark enough to spawn in monsters. So let me get my sword out, just in case it decides to do that. Freaking stone, wooden pickaxe. Pickaxe, freaking sword. Give me my stuff. And stop messing with my head. No, not today. Don't try to drown me like that, fool. Right, and we're also looking for a bucket. So that is something we want. Let's start on this tree, shall we? I'm gonna eat this tree off. Fucking heck. Don't have a drown, don't be drowned, don't be drowned. I hope the villager is healed. I really don't want him to die. If you guys remember from the last video, we had an encounter with a drown. It almost killed my precious villager. What should we name the villager? We should have a better name than Fishing Friend. It'd be like Jimmy or something. We use one of the name tags. You know what I should do? No, I'm too lazy to actually set things up. Okay, there we go. Now I'm ready to get in some fights here. We got my boots. Let's see, let's use my fishing pole. It's not super good. That way we don't lose it in case something does spawn over there. Come on. Anytime now. No, that's drowned. Be careful, these guys look like attack you. Apple. Screw the drowned, I want the apple. And a sapling. Hey, that's nice. I killed him. Oof. I could just wait for the day, but then I have to stay close by or else they'll attack the villager. That's kind of slightly annoying, actually. There we go. Got him. It wasn't too hard. Let's see. Put these extra saplings in there for now. And actually, I think this is on easy. I don't know why it's on easy. We should up the difficulty a little bit. Oh crap, my game froze. Give me a second. There we go. Difficulty hard. Oh, weird. I haven't lost a single bar of hunger. Well, okay then. There we go. Come on. Let's get some fish. Any second. Oh, come on, really? Come on. Come on. Come on. This is taking too long. This used to be my lucky fishing spot. That's where I did really well with the last episode. One more sapling. Where you at, fish? Okay. Something's messed up here. Oh, crap. Dang it. It's vaguely annoying. Move this up there. There we go. Got some more fish. Got some more cod, you know what I'm saying? I wonder if you can breed fish. I wonder if there's a way you can do that. Or actually, I think they just do that by themselves, but it'd still be cool nonetheless. There we go. No, I don't. Actually, I'm debating. Should I use some more wood or not? We've got somewhat of an island. I want to start building it out so we can get more things on it. I really want to try and expand the... Oh, I almost fell into that. That would have been bad. It's really bad. It's already almost day. That's kind of sad. Let's get my good fishing rod out here. So it's just a boring basic fishing rod, but it's not. That's a lie. It's a lie. Also, what should I use my redstone to make? Put in the comments below what you think I should make with redstone, because I got no idea what I should do. Should I wait to build something with a house? Should I set up a trap? Should I make like an XP farm? I don't know. But yeah, I really need to have some mobs start spawning because those will be helpful in the future. Oh, I also need to make an island for my house, which will be a little bit more difficult. We'll see. I want to kind of make that out of cobblestone, the island for my house, or wood. I don't want to use grass because grass is more like a farming tool in this kind of a game. Yeah, I think I want to get a bucket and make a cobblestone platform for my house. Ooh, a saddle. I know I can trade that for something. What can I trade a saddle for? No, dang it. An end portal. Ooh. That is interesting, nonetheless. Insect for Lapis. Spawn Vindicator. Oh my gosh. Spawn Guardian, Spawn Ocelot. I think I'm gonna try to get an Ocelot eventually. I know that's possible. I wasted all of my red sand making the failed cobblestone generator, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. Maybe there's ores underwater. What if we... Here, hold on. Before I do anything, let me add a layer. Onto here. Oh crap. No. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to use my wood. And put this stuff back in my chest. Now, why does this always work 100% of the time? Let's make some shovels. Then let's make more sticks. Let's make another shovel. I think y'all see where I'm going with this. Oh, I only need one shovel? Oh, never mind. Well, I have two shovels. Might come in sometime eventually. I don't know. Let me see. Should I plant? I'm gonna plant more sapling. There we go. Everything's set up. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to go explore. See if I find anything interesting. Because I'm pretty sure there's things that you can find out here other than just... That is something. There is a terrain change. There's different colors of water, which means there's different... Here, we'll just... Oh, we just destroyed both my lily pads. Okay. So I think... I don't know if there is anything out there. Let me just get my fishing rod. And throw it out, you know, because why not? And let's see if I can get anything that can help me get a bucket, because that's been my dream for centuries. No buckets. No buckets. Maybe we should focus on getting obsidian. Because obsidian can take me to the end, and if I get to the end, then I can get blaze rods, and then when I get a blaze rod, I can make a brewing stand, and then I can make potions of water breathing, and I can just go across the bottom just... I need to do that, I need to get which takes iron. This is a dilemma. Let's see if we can get 7 fish. This is getting there though. We're level 15. We haven't died once. We got a pretty good setup of islands going on here. And yeah, this is actually going pretty well. This is not going as well as I thought it would be. I thought I would at least get some leather by now. At least one piece. Oh, here we go. Of course not. Give me some leather. Why is that harder to find than actual fish? I don't know. But for some reason it is, and that's just to get one piece of iron. Not... It's rough. Okay, we need one more normal fish to expand the island, or pufferfish, I guess it doesn't really matter. Both of them give me... Okay, let's see. Maybe someday I can trap a whole bunch of salmon in like a thing, or fish in general. I've only seen salmon. Oh, there we go. Let me go take some stuff to chew. Let's see, we're gonna go 2, 1, 2. Oh crap, we're 1 off. It's okay. We just get one more fish. That's all we need. One more fish and it's gonna be caught. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Called it. That was Mexico. Okay, and that's pretty much how I want my mob island to go. I don't want anything else over here. Maybe it might be smart. No, it's on hard. Those zombies can go through doors. Oh, I know. Oh, crap. Good job, me. I'm a retard. The only thing that can get over that is spiders, and they can't really sneak up on me. The one thing I'm worried about is creepers, so I don't want them to kill me. Then again, there's nothing that stops them from coming around, so I don't really see a point of this. I'm gonna go for redstone. It's gonna get annoying how much time this just drops off. Okay, let's see, what should we do now? What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna... My game is dying. No. Stop. Oh my. So guys, I'm back. I had to pause it a little bit because we had some noise. But as you can see, it's starting to come together. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's all good. It's all good. But we got 20 more wood, so let's put this together. Ooh, an apple. Actually, no, I probably can't trade that for anything. That's okay though. Just go, 2. Okay, though we can branch it out later. We'll make like a freaking mansion out of this thing eventually. Okay, and with that, we are officially out of wood. We need some more saplings. I need the saplings. There goes a sapling. Dive! Got the sapling. Life is good. What's that? So I think we're about done today. Nah, you know, we'll carry out the night, see if anything spawns on our island that we made so hard. We tried so hard to get. If nothing spawns in, then we're gonna have to expand it and probably take out the torchlight there. There we go. Sorry, my game is really slow today for some reason. I have no idea why. Okay. I'm trying to get some salmon. And I'm gonna start saving that stuff up because we're gonna have an ocelot. And when we get the ocelot, I'm going to put out a poll on my Instagram story. I'm gonna be like, it'll have one of those things that you can type in, and it'll be like, what do you want to name the ocelot? I'm gonna pick 2 of my favorites, and I'm gonna put it up as a poll. And, yeah, you guys can name it. It's gonna be pretty dang cool, and it'll keep the creepers away, which will make me happy. Like I said, we need to start saving up all this salmon, so no more red sand. Which is fine by me, honestly. I don't care either way. I think we're gonna end this video here, so, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button. I'm gonna do a little bit more on this off-camera. I'm gonna do all the boring stuff, you know, like building the house and such. But, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.